Hello there, welcome to Ethio-Hahu tutorial. Today I'm going to do exercise on exponential function. If
3 to the power of x
the whole square times 4 raised to x is equal to 6 radical 6, find x. To solve this, first we know that a to the power of x
the power of
y is equal to a to the power of x times y. Having seen this,
3 to the power of x
the square times 4 raised to x is equal to 6 radical 6. This implies 3 raised to 2x times 4 raised to x is equal to 6 radical 6. Radical 6 is 6 raised to 1 over 2. This implies 3 to the power of 2x times 4 is 2 to the power of 2 raised to x is equal to 6 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2, because a to the power of x times a to the power of y is equal to simply a to the power of x plus y.
This implies
3 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 6 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2. Again, if a to the power of x times b to the power of x is given, this is equal to a times b to the power of x. Therefore, they have the same exponents to x, but different base. Simply 3 times 2 raised to 2x is equal to 6 to the power of 3 over 2. This implies 3 times 2 is 6 to the power of 2x is equal to 6 to the power of 3 over 2. But again, a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of y implies x is equal to y. Therefore, 2x is equal to simply 3 over 2.
this implies
X is equal to, dividing both sides by 2, 3 over 4. The value of x is equal to 3 over 4.
this is all about today.